How to add pictures in your PowerPoint presentation from Google. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add pictures from Google Chrome to your PowerPoint presentation. So without any further ado, let us dive right into it. First of all, open up a web browser and then search for whatever you want. So after you search for whatever you want, just find the picture for it, go to the images section. After you head over to the images section, you will find the picture. Now, to download the picture, all you need to do is open one up and right click on it. Now, after you right click on the picture, you will see Save Image As option. Tap on Save Image As. After you tap on Save Image As, you will get an option to download it. Just choose your file location and then tap on Save. Now, as you can see, you have just downloaded it. You can open this location up. Now, if you want to download more, you can download that too. Now to insert this, what you'll simply need to do is first method is dragging and dropping it. So drag it and drop it, and there you go. You have just added the picture here. Now you can choose its size. You can set it up. It's up to you. And after you've done that, you can the other method to download or insert the same image is head over to insert section on the top, tap on pictures, tap on this device, and head over to the file location again. Now from here, just select the file again, and there you go, there we have it. So that is basically how you insert images from the web to your PowerPoint presentation. And that is all for the video. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.